majority of people just they don't do it. You know, it's like a lot of people want it, but not a lot of people want to do it. Right? So just by taking that one little step, you separate yourself from the herd. Just keep grinding, man. Day in, day out. You know the deal. You're going to suffer more in your mind than you ever will in reality. And that applies to all aspects of life. Oh, dude, I wish I would have. Right? That it's I mean, is that ever going to be a positive statement when you have to look back at, your last couple years or months or weeks, whatever, and think, oh man, I wish I could have blank. You're never saying that in the fun, reminiscing tone. It's always kind of a regretful, geez,
So, all the boxes were checked. All I had to do was come in and hit it. Proper preparation prevents poor pumps.
Hey, I do this for real. And side note, I do this for a living and for fun. So when you ask me what I do for fun, this. And I ain't practicing.